Welcome to our guide on how to disable the passcode for Telegram lock on PC. If you no longer wish to use a passcode for added security, follow these simple steps to make the change. Step 1. Start by opening the Telegram application on your PC to access the settings. Step 2. Locate the three dots or menu icon within Telegram and click on it to reveal the settings menu. Step 3. Within the settings menu, click on Privacy and Security to access the security settings of your Telegram account. Step 4. Look for the option labeled Passcode Lock and tap on it to manage your passcode settings. Step 5. To disable the passcode, click on Turn Passcode Off and enter your current passcode as a security measure. Step 6. After entering your passcode, click on Next to confirm the action and disable the passcode lock on your Telegram account. By following these steps, you can easily disable the passcode for Telegram lock on your PC. Remember to choose your security settings wisely based on your preferences and needs. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.